friends, nandito tayo sa truck. Matco tools. These we're vlogging. You see that? Make money. Yeah. Pasok tayo ito. Diba? Okay.
Depends on what you do, and what you get.
And this is the guy of Matco. And this one, my friend. I had to. Ito yung mga tools nila. Okay.
I don't know. I was working on you. What is it? I'll be waiting for him to tell me something. He said it's due since yesterday. Yeah, I know. But he was supposed to get back with me if the guy still needed it. Give me the numbers you sent me. I got numbers.
There's a box.
Yeah, all you gotta do is sit up there and watch fucking internet.
Yeah, exactly. While he's doing that, he can go out in the yard and check for some numbers. How about that?
Shit, he can't even follow all these fucking walls.
He can go check numbers while he's looking at videos. Don't put that on there. cut that part, miss.
What are you doing anyway?
He's trying to make some money.
Money.
He's trying to get 1,000 in.
Yeah.
1,000 hits.
Yeah.
He's trying to get some.
YouTube.
Hey,
Where am I at now?
748.
Oh, hell
Call
$7.48.
Jimmy.
yeah. I have to go.
Yeah, you gotta go up there.
Yeah.
Obviously,
You don't have a radio.
I'll get him.
I could 10 on him. Well, I didn't hack my account. I lost my goddamn bank card right.
This one is cylinder plus leakage tester.
And then I turn around as soon as it
Second.
posted on my phone. I turn around and called the bank and canceled my card and told them it was fraudulent activity. And then while I was on the phone with them, they hit it for another 300. And I said, y'all, any pending transactions? I said, don't, go ahead and get rid of them.
This one I have to.
So, yeah, and then they turn around, and when I checked my account today, it was $600. I was like, man, I told the lady bank, I said, they were supposed to cancel all that shit. I said, they wasn't supposed to let that transaction go through. I said, because I caught it within 3 minutes. So, oh, wow, it is what it is. What the hell I owe you? Hey, babe.
what do I owe you? What do you owe me? What do I owe you? I do owe people money. People go in there and give me more money than what they owe me. Just run it. Just run it. That way, if they ever need something, I got people
Yeah.
I owe $400.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay.
Like this guy here.
Yes, this one. This for you.
This for me?
This for dickhead.
Dickhead.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. I'm going back to work, I guess.
Yeah.
We got a new guy starting on Monday.
Monday. Yeah.
Yeah, he was at the Ford dealership, and then he went to Pick Apart right there in Massaponax and was there for a while.
What? He was at Purvis?
No, I don't think it was Purvis.
Must point up there. A pick apart there.
Yeah,
Oh.
that's where he was at. So, what's his name?
Maybe I.
Donald.
Yeah.
Donald's his name.
Donald what?
I don't
Duck.
know.
Donald Duck.
Donald Duck. That's the
Don't go
only way I can
nowhere.
remember it.
Don't go nowhere. Don't go nowhere. Hold on. Wait a minute.
The only way I can remember it was Donald Duck.
Young kid, short.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Just like that.
curly looking hair.
Curly.
He's not coming.
No, he's coming. The tools is over there. A lot of tools, yeah.
Yeah, he brought his tools in all
He brought
to
his
that this
tools.
morning.
He told me he was going Northern Neck Chevrolet.
No. And some guy pulled up yesterday and said, "Is this Northern Redneck Auto Parts?" I was like, "No." I says Northern Neck Auto Parts.
Oh well, he's been all over the place.
Yeah.
He's been all over. They fired him. Well, no, they didn't fire him. He just walked
Well,
out.
they fired him from
They fired him from Dahlgren.
Pick Park too.
Yeah.
That guy? That guy?
Yeah, he's been fired all over the place.
Why? He's
Yeah,
lazy?
He's getting it, ain't it?
Huh? Is that lazy?
Along somewhere.
He look like he said.
He don't know what he's doing. He owes me a lot of money though. Yeah.
Well, he'll be here.
Yeah, he'll be here. And Paul said, watch that guy.
Watch him.
All right.
Yeah. Okay.
Yep.
Well, I guess we'll
Thank
see
you.
you next week.
All right, man.
Thank you, brother. Okay.